Hi beautiful family, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. On today's video I will show you how to combine these two powerful ingredients, hibiscus and fenugreek, to thicken up your hair. Do you know that combine these two ingredients together, they are the secret to healthy, faster hair growth? These two combination of ingredients will help to stop your hair fall, thicken up your hair, stop itching scalp, and also boost that faster hair growth and regrow your hair in buzz. So please watch the video to the end to see how to use this simple remedy to solve that your hair problem and grow your hair super faster. First thing is to bring my jar, and my jar is clean. My first ingredient is fenugreek seed. If you have the fenugreek powder, you can also make use of it, but I'm using the seed form. Fenugreek seed are rich in source of iron and protein, has nutrient for hair growth, provide moisture, stimulate hair growth, strengthen hair and soften the hair overall texture, fight dandruff, prevent hair loss, enhance hair shine, promote scalp healthy, and add thickness to your hair. So I just make use of 2 tablespoons of my fenugreek seed. My next ingredient is hibiscus. You can also make use of hibiscus powder if it's what you have. So I'm using the leaf, okay? So you can choose to go more high quality on the hibiscus, or you can reduce it, okay? You can increase your hibiscus measurement or you can reduce it. So hibiscus stimulates hair growth, prevent premature growing, condition hair, prevent dandruff, and soften overall hair. What I do now, I pour in hot water on this my container contain my 2 powerful ingredients. So you can also boil this, okay, but I like to do infusion method. I will cover it up and keep it away to infuse for 12 hours. So if you want yours to be more faster, you can boil it, but I'll advise you just try to do infusion method, because doing infusion method is more potent than boiling method, okay? Because with the infusion method, you know that the tea spray is more potent, but if you do the boiling method, you have chance to lose some nutrients of the tea spray, okay? So after I like to infuse for 12 hours, I shifter it, so I transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. So this is how it look like. This tea spray is very super easy to prepare, but believe me, consistent of using this tea spray, your hair will never remain the same. This tea spray is very potent, very powerful in growing your hair. This tea spray is the secret to stop that your hair fall, thicken up your hair, and give your hair more voluminous and make your hair feel more healthy with consistent for using the tea spray. And the hibiscus flower on it will help you to prevent premature growing. It's better you start using hibiscus flower on your hair this moment. It will help to prevent premature growing. It doesn't mean that if you have green hair already, it will prevent. No, it helps to prevent premature growing in future, meaning that if you start using it at your earlier age, it will be very difficult before you can have green hair on your hair. I hope you're understanding me, okay? So after shifting it, I transfer into my spray bottle for easy application. This tea spray is all you need to grow that your hair. It's very simple to use, it's very simple to prepare, but believe me, this tea spray is all in one. It will help you to stop that your hair fall, thicken up your hair, promote hair growth, and the hibiscus on it will also help to darken your hair, condition your hair, honestly promote faster hair growth with consistent of using. Don't use this tea spray once and you expect it to work that magic. Please be consistent. For you to see best results, you can use this in up to 3 months so that you can see that very visible results, okay? Even 1 month, you can start seeing results from 1 month, but for you to see that pronounceable results is from 3 months, okay? So how to apply this on your hair? Use it in your protective hairstyle. But if you don't have protective hairstyle, apply this as a leave-in tea spray. That's when this tea spray will work more great than on your hair than using it on not protective hairstyle. So like as always said, try to always wear protective hairstyle. It will help you a lot in growing your hair, okay, and it will help you to stop some breakage, because when your hair is in protective hairstyle, you don't have chance to manipulate the hair, you don't have the opportunity to comb the hair. So try to always wear your hair in protective hairstyle. Whenever my hair is in protective hairstyle, cornrows, mini braid, mini twins, that is when I have more chance to use a lot of ingredients, a lot of tea on that hair. And before I take down that protective hairstyle, I will see very visible results on my hair, both in length, in thickness, in darkness, and also in reducing shedding, because of I always apply teas on my hair, because of I properly take care of the hair whenever the hair is protective hairstyle. So using the tea spray on your hair in your protective hairstyle. But if your protective hairstyle have extension, you can also use it, okay. So using this tea spray in your protective hairstyle is a very great idea. Before you take down that protective hairstyle, your hair will never remain the same. You will see very less shedding, okay, less breakage, because you properly take care of your hair in that protective hairstyle, okay. So try to apply this, okay. After applying it, massage your scalp. After massaging your scalp, cover up your hair, okay, for further benefits, okay, and allow your hair to sit like 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 15 minutes, depending on you. Remove your shower cap and allow your hair to air dry. But please make sure you moisturize your hair with your leave-in conditioner and your oil. It's very necessary. How many times can you apply this tea spray? Apply the tea spray 3 times in a week for best results. And also you can also use it as a final thing rinse, okay. After shampooing your hair, do all your wash day routine, pour it all over your hair, massage your scalp, and cover your hair whenever, if you like, 1 hour or 2 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, depend on you, depend on your time that you want to keep it on your hair before you can rinse it out. And follow up with your moisture, okay. And this tea spray will solve that your hair problem. It's very simple to prepare, but the content on this tea spray is mind-blowing. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. Storage: this tea spray can last only but 5 days. Please, anyone that remaining after that 5 days, discard it and make a fresh batch, okay, so that the tea spray will be potent, okay. So guys, I have come to end of today's video. Please, if you have not liked, please help me to click on that like button, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and share this video to your family and friends so that they can get the good news on today's video. Please, if you have any question in comment section below, please feel free to drop your question. I will happy to see your question. I would like to read your comments and reply to them all, okay. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.